Hi everyone, this is the Ferrum Forge Stinger Blade HQ exclusive. It's a nice sized EDC knife on the smaller side. The blade is ground extremely well in my opinion. It's a very narrow secondary bevel. However, this copy has a detent ball, but basically it's super light. So the knife almost always fails when you go to deploy it. The pocket clip is well done. It is right hand only though, and because of the shape of the butt of the knife and how high the pocket clip is, you basically have to, there's a learning curve on learning how to extract the knife from your pocket, but once you figure it out, it's okay. As for ergonomics are pretty good in this forward position. Back here it feels cramped and small, but I think it's meant to be used like this, and it feels pretty good like that. The knife is very narrow. I just wish it had a proper detent. So I believe this is produced by We Knives, so this got through both We Knives quality control and Ferrum Forge's quality control, and it should just not have gotten through because it almost always fails. You have to give it a flick to get it to lock out. Okay, well thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye now.